Do you ever get that musty, moldy smell whenever you turn on your AC or your heater inside your car? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to eliminate that and make your car smell fresh and new again. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House Automotive Edition. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. Summertime is here, big temperature change from spring all the way to summer, and that gives it time for mold and all that pollen to accumulate inside your AC vents, and not even car air fresheners will help to get rid of that moldy or musty smell inside your car. So what do? Well, if you go to the car dealerships, they're going to charge you so much just to get rid of that smell. But I've been doing this a lot of times and this helps out. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that can help you and get rid of all that nasty smell and have your car smelling fresh and new again. So let's go with method number 1. The first method and my number 1 recommendation is using this fridgi-fresh. Now this kills bacteria and freshens up the car. I use this on all my vehicles, especially during the springtime and also towards the fall season, twice a year, and it works really well. I mean, this is the same stuff that they use on the car dealerships that they charge you so much on, but you can get this. I'm not sponsored by fridgi-fresh or any other products that what I use within this video, but if you're interested on this fridgi-fresh and all the products that I use, I'll leave all the links on the description down below. Now it's very easy to use this. The first thing that you want to do is you want to turn on your car. So once you have the car turned on, put it on AC. And you want to put it on full blast. Go to the lowest temperature and place it on full blast like this. Next thing that you want to do is you want to pop your hood up. What you want to do is you want to open up all the windows inside your car. You can also open up all the doors as well. You want to leave everything open, your windows, your doors, so that you can have everything vent out. Pop open your hood. You want to find your air intake vent, so it's going to be located usually in the front of your car. So right around here is where you're going to see your air intake vent. Usually popping up your hood is the easiest way to get access to this. Shake well the fridgi-fresh. Make sure the nozzle is facing that way, and you're going to spray 4 to 6 seconds along here. This is our newer family car, but this one is the car that actually has the most musty, moldy smell onto it for some reason. I don't know why, but the same thing you're going to do is you're going to turn on the car, put the temperature on low, put this on full blast. Open up all the windows. Going to have it blow on the fronts. Let's open up our hood. Here is where the air intake vents are. Now it varies on different cars. After you turn off the car, wait about 4 to 10 minutes for everything to vent out. And if you do still smell that musty or moldy smell, go just reapply it again and just keep doing so until you don't smell it anymore. So the great thing about fridgi-fresh is that you can also spray it on your ashtray area where you smell smoke or that cigarette smell. You can also spray this on any food stains or food spills that you might have on your car, and it will eliminate all that smell. So I usually apply this at the end of spring, beginning of fall. But you can use this anytime as long as you smell that moldy, musty smell. Use it anytime. There's a lot in this can, so this will go a long way. After that, all that musty smell, I can already smell that this car is smelling fresh. So again friends, if you're interested on this fridgi-fresh, I'll leave the link on the description down below. Check this out. With that being said, let's get to method number 2. For the second method, it's very effective as well, and actually my second recommendation is using this product right here. It's called Cool It, and you're gonna have to locate the evaporator drain, which is really not that hard. I'll show you a trick on how to find it, but if you can't find it on your car underneath your vehicle, go check with your local mechanic and help them find that evaporator drain underneath your car. But let me show you how you can easily find it. Let's go. Turn on your car and put it on AC and let it run for a few minutes, and then go underneath the car And then you will see right there, see where it's dripping? That's where your evaporator exit or your AC drain. So that's where all the water, all the condensation is leaving. Now just follow where that drip is coming from and you'll see where that AC drain is located. The purpose of this evaporator and heater foam cleaner is that when it goes inside your evaporator, it acts as a foam and it expands in there. And what it does is it helps cleans all the contaminants, all that nastiness. Maybe you have pet smells, cigarette smells, outside smells, moldy smells, anything like that that's trapped inside your evaporator and going throughout your AC vents. This will help flush all that out. And it's very easy. What's inside the box? Any type of jack and jack up your car. So after you jack up your car, do not rely on that alone. Please use jack stands for your safety. Let's put this on each side of the car. We have both our jack stands on each side. Remember, safety first, always have these. Do not just jack up your car and leave it with that for safety purposes. Here's where it's dripping. I'm gonna follow where it is. So there's our evaporator drain. You can see that water just dripping out of it. Let's take the coolants, shake it up real well once more. Very important, please wear your safety glasses when doing this. You don't want this stuff getting in your eyes. And you're just gonna shove it in there. Just like this. You're just gonna depress the whole can till it's empty. Uh-oh. So a little bit came out of the end there, but you could hear it just going through. I could hear it. There we go. See where that, see all the liquids just going through there? See all the liquids just flowing through? Now it's normal to have some of the foams come out of there, but I'm still pressing on it. Now when you're done, just take the hose and pull it out. Just like that. So after application, once this, we're gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes. I started my timer already, and let's just wait for 15 minutes. And also what you wanna do, so since this is foam and it turns to liquid, get a catch pan, place it underneath. So it's been about well over 15 minutes. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the car. And we're gonna put the fan, the AC fan on low. Just put it on low setting. And now that foam that we just sprayed in there inside the evaporator should automatically slowly dissipate and turn into liquid. So let's go underneath and check it drain out. And then we're just gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, and that should be it. It's about well over 5 minutes. I could already tell the scent in here. It has that nice fresh scent. Again, I'm not sponsored by this product right here. I'll leave the link on the description down below. Again, it's 1 car can per use, so make sure you use the whole can per car. Okay, so now let's take out that pan and let's see how dirty really this evaporator is. So this is all that stuff that came out of there. This is the first time I've done this since we bought the car many years ago. And look at all that nasty stuff in there. So imagine this inside there, you're breathing this, and this is what's causing that foul smell inside your car. If you have allergies on pollen like me, it's gonna flush all that contaminants out of your evaporator, and it's gonna make your car smell brand new again. Okay, friends? So again, I'll leave the link on the description down below. Now let's get to method number 3. The last method that I want to show you to make the air inside your car smell better is you want to replace your cabin air filter. Kind of like the same for every vehicle. It's mostly located right inside your glove box. So you want to take your glove box right here and just disassemble it. Take it apart like this. See this right here? There should be a tab on the corners where you can just pop this out. So super easy to take out. Just grab it Just changed this out a couple of months ago. Stuff in there, like there's dandelion seed, I don't know what that is. If you look at the back, you can see that there's some black stuff in there, so I'll probably just change it out anyways. Just make sure that you get the same exact thing for the make and model of your car. Make sure that you place it on the right direction of the airflow. So if you don't remember, make sure you take a picture with your phone before taking this out so that you remember which direction the airflow is going through. The cover back on. That easy. There you have it, friends. 3 easy, effective methods on how you can get the air quality back inside your car, whether you have allergy problems, pet smells, cigarette smells, or musty smells, moldy smells. Eliminate all that. You can even use all 3 methods. Fridgi-fresh, cool it, AC filter. Just try any of those and it will work 100%. If you used any type of other method, please leave it in the comment section down below and share with the community. But if you're interested on any of the 3 products that I use, I'll leave all the links on the description down below. If you found this video super helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next video.